Hey guys, Crafty Coder again, another quick update. I wired up this Highway Dirt Bikes lever button system here to the board. You'd be able to do this too, and I programmed the buttons to either turn on circuit 1 or adjust the constant current level of circuit 2. So let's do circuit 1 first. And now we'll do constant current on circuit 2. You can now see that light there getting brighter as I click the button. And when it gets to 2 amps, it shuts down to 200 milliamps again. So now we'll watch it. 800. 1 amp, 1.2. And this should be the last one, and there you go. So I just wanted to show you guys what that installation might look like when you get it ready. And one of these days I might have to encapsulate that guy and put it outside on the bike and see how it runs, but not today. Take care.